How's it going, everyone? John here. Welcome to the channel. Today I want to share with you something that I've been using recently here on YouTube that I think is going to help a lot of us, and that is using ChatGPT. This essentially is an AI, and depending on what you put into this send message bar down here will determine what it is that it's going to help you with. So, for example, if you're wanting to get tips on how to grow on YouTube, you can do list 5 tips on how to grow on YouTube. It's going to think, and it's going to generate some ideas here for you. Now, you want to take everything that you see on here with a grain of salt, because some of the stuff might be pretty basic that you already know, and it doesn't really go into huge detail, but it does kind of list some things out and have some pointers for you that maybe you didn't know of or you kind of forgot about, so it does kind of help. And once you have that finished, it's going to go over here on the left-hand side with all of your other chats, and if you want to start a new one, just hit New Chat, and it still has it saved. Now, another thing that it can also help you with is scripts. So we could do, write me a script on how to grow on YouTube. So now what it's going to do is it's going to sit there and it's going to write different sections of your script. Again, take it with a grain of salt, take some things out of it, and try to see what you want to add to it, what you want to take away, what you want to reword, and stuff like that. But it gives you a very good starting point on a lot of things. Now, I don't use the script citing thing of it. I usually just use the video title ideas or just trying to get generalization ideas on what I can do for future videos and stuff like that when I'm kind of like stuck. But this is a valuable tool, and I think a lot of people should be looking into this and looking into different AI type of stuff for content creation. But this is free to use, so if you just go to the link in the video description below or look up ChatGPT or just go to chat.openai.com, and then you'll be able to mess around with this. But I think this is an awesome tool, and I say go for it, have some fun with it, try it out, see if it works for what you want it to do, and have some fun with it. But if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, take a look at the other content on the channel. If you have any questions about ChatGPT, let me know in the comments. If you use it, what do you use it for? Let me know in the comments as well. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Take care.